Good evening. Today going to teach conic section introduction and parabola standard equations. Everyone follow the concepts. First of all, definition of conic. The locus of point P, its ratio of distances from fixed point S and the fixed line L. Is constant. E is called conic. Here this is fixed point S, this is fixed line L. Collection of points P, its distance is ratio, means here to here distance, here to here distance, perpendicular distance. Point to collection of points, you get under given ratio. The ratio value E. E decides conic name. And also one more thing, S is called focus of conic. Fixed point S, focus of conic. L is fixed line, is called as Directrix. Ratio is named as eccentricity. Different values of E, you get different conics. Here E value 1, conic is parabola. That means the distances ratios are equal. Equidistance collection of points gives diagram is parabola. The value of E lie between 0 to 1, conic is ellipse. The E value greater than 1, conic is hyperbola. In this hyperbola, one more case, E value √2, conic is rectangular hyperbola. Some more terms here. The line through focus and perpendicular to axis. The line through focus and perpendicular to axis. Perpendicular to directrix, sorry. This line is named as axis of conic. Axis of conic is line through S perpendicular to L equal to 0. And one more thing, the point of intersection of conic and axis is named as vertex. This is diagram. This is vertex. And one more, latus rectum. Latus rectum is through focus perpendicular to axis. These are additional points. Sometimes vertices to adjust based on conic and based on E value. Sometimes only one adjust. I will discuss briefly one by one, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola also. And commonly how to find equation of conic. Equation of conic, focus S equal to alpha beta, directrix Ax plus by plus c equal to 0, E eccentricity. My assumption px1 y1 is any point on conic. Then what will happen? Sp equal to A into Pm. Sp means the distance between focus and point P. X1 minus alpha whole square, y1 minus beta whole square equal to E into modulus of distance from P to directrix. Distance formula used here. Squaring, what will happen? Squaring after then locus of P. X1 y1 is conic. That means x1 y1 replaced by xy and squaring x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to E square into ax plus by plus c by root a square plus b square whole square. Now here axis equation. Axis is passes through focus and perpendicular to L equal to 0. L equal to 0 slope, minus a by b. Slope of axis b by a. Equation y minus beta equal to b by a into x minus alpha. Clear? Now I am moving to parabola. Definition is the locus of point P, its distances from fixed point S and a fixed line L. L equal to 0 or equal is called parabola. Okay. This is S. This is L. Equidistant. Some points adjust equally distance. These all points together you get parabola. Collection of all points joined together you get diagram of parabola. Next, standard equation. Standard equation of parabola. I am taking S be the focus, L equal to 0 be the directrix. E equal to 1 eccentricity. I am taking one point S here, one line L, fixed one. Here I am constructing parabola standard equation. First of all, I am drawing axis. This is axis, passes through focus and perpendicular to directrix. SZ perpendicular to L equal to 0 is the axis of parabola. Okay. And I am gathering the points on axis satisfying definition of parabola. I am taking A is equal to midpoint of SZ and SA equal to AZ equal to my assumption small a. Here S to A distance by A to Z distance, A by A 1. That means A lies on parabola. Why? Because equidistant. The common point of parabola and axis, conic and axis, is called as vertex. Yeah. Now for getting standard equation. For standard equation means simplest equation. Along AS, along A, along axis taken as x-axis. And AY, that is parallel to directrix, taken as y-axis. Now getting point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is vertex. and immediately here a units on right side, s coordinates a comma 0, z is minus a comma 0 because left side same distance. Equation of directrix, vertical line passing through x minus a comma 0 is x equal to minus a. Directrix equation, x plus a equal to 0. Now for getting conic standard equation, assumption random point. For example, Px1 y1 is a point satisfies definition of parabola. That means equidistant from focus and directrix. Its locus gives equation of parabola. Like this. Px1 y1 be any point on parabola. Then Sp by Pm is equal to 1. Sp equal to Pm. S coordinates you have a comma 0. Equation of directrix x plus a. Applying definition. Distance formula here, x1 minus a whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square equal to Pm x1 plus a by root 1 square plus 0 square. Squaring here both the sides. X1 plus a whole square. Expanding here, x1 square plus a square minus 2a x1 plus y1 square, x1 square plus a square plus 2a x1. x1 square a square cancelled both the sides, getting y1 square equal to 4a x1. Locus of p. Locus of px1 y1 is equation of parabola. That means y square equal to 4ax. Now here observation focus S a comma 0, vertex a 0 0, directrix x equal to a, x equal to minus a, axis equation, x axis here y 0. These are points. Now why diagram of parabola like that? I will discuss. Nature of curve. Y square equal to 4ax. A should be positive. Here clearly y square equal to 4ax. 4 positive, a positive, y square positive. X should be greater than or equal to 0. Otherwise y square positive, no? That's why. Gives parabola line quadrant 1 and quadrant 4 only. Y is equal to plus or minus root 4ax. That means for each x there exist plus or minus y values. That means curve symmetric about x-axis, positive y, negative y because of that. And x tends to infinite, y tends to plus or minus infinite. That means one end goes like this, other end comes like this. Therefore, clearly, parabola is open curve. Here, this is interior, inside of parabola. This is exterior, outside. This is on. Here focus, vertex. This is directrix. Now I will discuss about latus rectum and focal chord. Focal chord means the chord of parabola through focus. Is focal chord. There exist infinite number of focal chords. So there exist infinite. Okay. And one more thing, parametric point. For y square equal to 4ax. Parametric point is single parameter covers all the points. By changing single parameter t, we get all the points on parabola. It is simply denoted by p of t. T value, any real number. Different values of t, we get different position point on the parabola. T0 vertex. Now I am discussing about latus rectum. Chord through focus. And perpendicular to axis is called latus rectum. Now I will discuss about equation of latus rectum in the next page. This is focus. Latus rectum I am drawing here. Chord through focus and perpendicular to axis. It is denoted by LL dash. This is vertex. The equation of lattice rectum. Lattice rectum vertical line passes through focus a comma 0. Lattice rectum equation, we get x equal to a. Parabola equation y square equal to 4ax. These two are solving. We get coordinates. One substitution in 2. Y square equal to 4a into a square. Y equal to plus or minus 2a. That means L coordinates a comma 2a. L dash coordinates a comma minus 2a. That means actually parametric point p80 square comma 280. T equal to 1. Then coincides L. T equal to minus 1. Coincides with L dash. One more thing. Length of L dash. Here to a, 2a, 4a. Length of lattice set. That is about lattice rectum length. Now I will discuss focus to any point on parabola distance, focal distance. My assumption px1 y1 also in parametric form 80 square comma 280 be a point on y square equal to 4ax. Then we will show that SP x1 plus a, that means 80 square plus a. How to get? This is focus A0. Same distance here, directrix. P is a point here. P2 focus distance. P2 directrix distance are equal. We know because of the definition. SP equal to PM. Draw the perpendicular, that is axis here. Drawn perpendicular from px1 by 1 to x-axis. PL, PN better. It is vertex. It is Z. SP equal to PM. PM is NZ. NZ written as NA plus AZ. NA is, it is x1. Origin to put a perpendicular of px1 y1 on x-axis. AZ, AS both are equal, small a. In case of parametric point, 80 square plus a. One more thing. This is the distance from focus to the point P anywhere, randomly taking px1 y1 its distance. Okay, it is least if t is equal to 0, SP is least. T is 0, the point P coincides with A, 0, 0. Therefore, the point on parabola nearest to focus, near to focus is vertex, and also is near to directrix also. Now I will discuss about different types of parabolas. I will start with first one only. Here y square equal to 4x, a should be positive always. It is named as RH parabola, right hand. A comma 0 focus, vertex 0 0, x equal to minus a directrix. Latus rectum LL dash, its coordinates a comma 2a, a comma minus 2a. All details I will give you. First vertex a0 0, axis equation y0, focus coordinates a comma 0, directrix equation x equal to minus a. Latus rectum equation is x equal to a, length 4a, ends a comma 2a and a comma minus 2a. Parametric point 80 square comma 280. Focal distance SP x1 plus a, that equal to 80 square plus a. This about type 1. I am moving to type 2. If the parabola rotated about origin 180 degrees, you get type 2. Z and S interchanges. Diagram is like this. It is directrix, it is focus, it is directrix Z coordinates, focus coordinates a minus a comma 0, directrix equation x equal to a, latus rectum LL dash, lengthwise same, but coordinates minus a comma 2a, minus a comma minus 2a. Vertex no change, 0 0. I will give you details here. Equation is y square equal to minus 4ax. It lies in quadrant 2 and quadrant 3. A always positive. It is named as LH parabola, left-handed. Vertex A0 0. Axis equation same. y equal to 0, x-axis, focus coordinates minus a comma 0, directrix equation, x equal to a, and any point on it. Latest rectum first I will discuss. Equation is x equal to minus a, length 4a, no change, ends minus a comma plus or minus 2a. Parametric point pt minus 80 square comma 280. X coordinate always negative. SP focal distance x1 plus a minus x1 plus a, better 80 square plus a. That is about second. Now I will discuss about third type. If the standard parabola rotated 90 degrees, it looks like this: 0 0 vertex, focus is 0 comma a, directrix put z 0 minus a. It is y equal to minus a. Latus rectum L dash 2a comma a minus 2a comma a. Here the equation is xy interchanges type 1 and type 3. A value always positive. It is upward parabola named as upward. Vertex coordinates 0 0. Axis equation y equal to 0, x equal to 0, sorry, y axis. Focus coordinates s 0 a. Directrix equation. Directrix equation is y equal to minus a. Latus rectum. Equation is latus rectum equation y equal to a. Length LL dash 4a. Ends plus or minus 2a comma a. Parametric point P of t. X coordinate y coordinate interchanges 280 comma 80 square. Focal distance here y1 plus a. px1 y1, any point on it, its focal distance. It is 80 square plus a. Now the parabola rotated about vertex, standard equation rotated at 270 degrees. Its reflection with respect to x-axis. That is type 4. Its equation x square equal to minus 4ay. A value positive. Downward parabola. The equation x square equal to minus 4ay. Y always negative. So quadrant 3 and 4. Z coordinate 0 a. Y equal to a. Here lattice rectum LL dash 2a comma minus a minus 2a minus a. Details I am giving: vertex a00, axis equation x0 y axis, focus 0 comma minus a. Let Directrix equation y equal to a. Lattice rectum. Lattice rectum equation is y equal to a. Length LL dash length 4a, no change. Ends of lattice rectum plus or minus 2a comma minus a. Parametric point 2at comma minus at square. Focal distance here also SP minus p x1 y1 any point on it. Its coordinates arbitrary at square comma minus 2at comma minus at square. y1 plus a, that value is at square plus a, focal distance. These are 4 types. If vertex is shifted to alpha beta, the 4 equations changes to, I will draw these 4 equations. Type 5, it is vertex shifting alpha beta to the first type. Y minus beta whole square equal to 4a into x minus alpha. What will happen? It is exactly type 1, but only thing, vertex shifted to alpha beta. Then easy to recall, all x coordinates, for all x coordinates add alpha, for all y coordinates add beta. Focus also a comma 0 na, then changes to a plus alpha comma beta. RH only. Type 6, vertex shifted to alpha beta, then its equation y minus beta, extension of second type, y minus beta whole square equal to minus 4a into x minus alpha. This is the type. For all x coordinates add alpha, y coordinates add beta. Type 7, it is extension of third, x minus alpha whole square equal to 4a into y minus beta. We get like this. For all x coordinates add alpha, y coordinates add beta. Type 7, type 8, it is extension of type 4, x minus alpha whole square equal to minus 4a into y minus beta. It is type 4 extension. What about here directrix? Y equal to actually a plus beta. These are types. And one more thing, general equation of parabola axis parallel to y-axis. You see 7th and 8th types, x degree to y degree 1. So here y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. A positive upward, A negative downward. A positive case like this, A negative case like this. It is vertex. By using maxima minima also you get vertex coordinates. Minimum point here, to A positive minimum point. X coordinate is equating 0 minus b by 2a. Substituted here 4ac minus b square by 4a we get. Here axis equation, vertical line passes through minus b by 2a, 4ac minus b square by 4a, x equal to minus b by 2a. Here also no difference, same coordinates, only thing is a is negative. In the similarly, general equation of parabola, axis parallel to x-axis. Axis parallel to x-axis means type 5 and type 6 you observe. Y with degree 2, x with degree 1. A positive upward, RH. A negative LH. We get same way, vertex minus b 4ac, x coordinate y coordinate changes, 4ac minus b square by 4a minus b by 2a. Equation of axis, y equal to minus b by 2a. Here a negative case, coordinates same, axis also same. These are standard equations of parabola. Next, I will discuss in the next class focal chord, position of point, focal chord connective concepts. Thank you everyone. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. We will meet next.